Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. Today we are going to be looking at another function, which is the MIN function, the mean function. This function is used to find the lowest value in a range of data. The mean function is an array function. The mean function in Excel is used to find the smallest minimum numeric value in a given set. So just like the max function, the mean function works with range of value. Okay, it finds the smallest, it skips text, it skips the empty cells, blank cells, and then of course, if you have range of non-numeric or text or blank, of course, it's going to return 0. And if you're trying to count values that includes logical values like the true as 1 or false as 0, then you are going to use the mean A, which looks like a MINA. All right, so the mean function is essential for identifying the smallest value in a data set, such as expenses, grades, or even measurements. All right, so now let's see the Excel example. So in this particular worksheet, we want to find the lowest value, and we just type the equal sign MIN and then select our range and then close the bracket and hit enter. So this is the lowest value. You know, in the previous class, we looked at max where we're able to find the highest value. And the interesting thing is that you can even do equals highest value in your range. And you know, someone will say, well, I can easily see my highest value. So why do I need min or max for the, why do I need max for the highest value and min for the lowest value? And the truth is that sometimes when you are dealing with a very large data set, you can't imagine trying to look for something in your data set. So you can easily do max minus min if you want. Okay, so you can also use your min to pick according to particular set of range to find the mean value in all these three areas, and this is going to return the smallest of all. So what it means is that at the time after selecting all these three, the smallest of all is this. Okay, so you can always pick your values across. You can do individual or single mix mean of individual values. Maybe what is the mean of these three selections? What's the lowest of these three selections? Of course, you get the lowest of them. So the mean function will find you the lowest value. So you can always use it to find the smallest value in a range of data. All right, so this is where we are going to round up on using the mean function. So see you in the next session when we'll be looking at another topic. Bye for now.